Hey everybody. Welcome back to another great episode of Master of the Universe. A dedicated viewer named Brett has a very deep and interesting question. He asks, why are cowbells so named? I often wonder about that myself. We now turn to Dr. Austin Yoder, who gives us great insight into your questions. Austin?
Thanks, Brett, for that wonderful question. I'm glad you're listening and taking the advice. The question once again was, why are cowbells so named? Well, I'm going to take you back into a place when the banjo was just invented. And, moonshine was drank a lot. And people would be blowing on their moonshine bottles. Somebody would have a tin can flipped over with a stick on it and a string on it. And somebody would have that banjo. And they would just be going to town. And then, I guess, a good old cow came over with a bell around its neck, and he just shook a little bit, and that's exactly what that band needed. So those people saw that, notified Nashville immediately about these cowbells and how big the cowbell was in music. One of the greatest things invented. If you think about it, bands like Blue Oyster Cult and shows like Saturday Night Live made this a modern hit. The cowbell. Once a simple thing worn on a cow's neck, just so you could tell where old Betsy was. Now it's one of your vital instruments as a drummer. So I guess, simple question, simple answer. It's called a cowbell because cows wore them around their neck. So the ranchers knew where the cows were, and so the cow could be the newest percussionist in the band. Think about it. Simple and easy. Thank you.
I always wondered where cowbells came from. In fact, my grandpa was a great cowbell player. His name was Betsy. Thank you for watching. Join us next time when we answer more viewer questions. Stay tuned.